Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Cloudflare DNS to your PlayStation 5 so you can improve your internet connection. So let's go to settings right here. Go to network, go down to settings and go to set up internet connection. Then go to your currently connected internet and press options on it on the controller and go to advanced settings. Then under here, let's go on down until we get to DNS settings. Switch this from automatic to manual. And this is the Google DNS, so if you want to go and try this out, it's 8.8.8.8, and the secondary is 8.8.4.4. Well, let's switch it on over now to the Cloudflare. And let's go to manual, and just delete this and type in 1.1.1.1. Then go to the secondary and type in 1.0.0.1. And then go on over to OK. And now I'm connecting back to the internet. And go ahead and try this out when you're gaming. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.